What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Hide by Juice WRLD. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and it is going to be a little bit more intermediate style because you are using all bar chords. Don't forget to pick up the free ebook in the description if you need a little bit more help and you need some help with the chord diagrams. Your first chord is going to be, you're barring the 8th fret, starting on the A string. You don't have to touch your low E string at all during this song. You're starting on the A string and you're barring that entire 8th fret. Then you're going ring finger on the 10th fret of your D string, pinky finger on the 10th fret of your G string, and then your middle finger on your 9th fret of your B string. Your second chord, you're doing the same thing on the 6th fret. You're barring the entire thing with your index finger. Then you're going to use your ring finger to bar the next 3 strings. So that's going to be the 8th fret on your D string, your G string, and your B string. Now if that's too hard for you, because it is going to be difficult for a lot of you guys who are beginners, you can just put your pinky finger on the 8th fret of your G string, and then put your ring finger on the 8th fret of your D string, and then index finger on the 6th fret of your A string, and just play that chord that way. You're not going to get that note up there, that's the 3rd of that chord, so it might sound a little off to you, but that is this. It's technically the same chord, it's just an easier way to play it. And then the final chord, you're doing the same thing on the 4th fret, barring the entire thing, starting on the A string with your index finger. Then you're going your ring finger on your 6th fret on your D string. Your middle finger is going to go on the 5th fret of your G string, and then your pinky finger is going to go on the 6th fret of your B string. So it should have that nice jazzy kind of sound to it. Now those are the only 3 chords you're going to need for the song. The rest is just going to be down to the rhythm, and I will show you how to get the rhythm down. You're going to use counts of 4 to help you with the rhythm, and your tempo is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your first chord is simple enough. You're just staying on there for the first 4 counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to your next chord for 3 counts, 1, 2, 3, and on 4 you're switching to your 3rd chord. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then you're switching quickly on the 3 and 4 of the final 4 count, 3, 4, and then you're starting all over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm going to do that one more time, super slow so you can really get it. If it helps you, just loop this part over and over until the rhythm kind of makes sense to you. First chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.